When is this survey available according to the timetable of my country? You just search on Google the time of your country or region properly. By the grace of God, I guide you that when you have to get the survey. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell notification. So now I do start my precious videos. This survey is received on a daily basis. Thousands of people do this survey according to the timetable of their countries. You must know how to seek, and you must seek at that time. As I will tell you, you must search for that survey. The first point is this, which is necessary to follow as I ask. According to the country where you live now, must know the time of that country. As you see my survey that I am doing, according to my time plus 5 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time, I also get this survey daily. This survey is available between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. And you will also get this survey like this. But according to your country, where do you live? I do this survey daily. You can also see my history. I do surveys every day according to time and date. I tell you as the time of your country. Search during 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. You will definitely get this survey. For example, according to plus 5 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time, between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. I open this page and sit and watch, and finally I get the survey. This was today's video. God bless you.